What am I supposed to do with all these Orbeez? Really nothing to do with them. Oh, I got an idea. Look at this new squish ball I made. I'll show you how to make them, and you can take a break from trying to escape school and make one of these to make it funner. And not spend all the time on escaping school. So all you need to have is a balloon and some Orbeez. And a water bottle. No water bottles. So how are we going to get these Orbeez into this balloon? Because it's too tight to fit through here. Well, I guess so, but it just be one at a time. I'll show you what to do. Get some Orbeez. Yeah, we should have a few more than that. That should be enough. Let's blow this balloon up, and then we can wrap it around here, and then put all the Orbeez in when we tilt it upside down. Like this. Now I need to twist it so the air doesn't come out. Now I'm not such a good twister. Once you have it twisted, just have the bottle around the cup like this. Like that over the cap. And then tilt it upside down. I have a fear of loud balloon noises, so now Mom is gonna tie it for me, but there's something happening over here. That clip did not show us what to do, so I don't know why I didn't pick them up or stop them, but now I twist it again and we'll pull it off. Oh yeah. Now we hold it tight and we're gonna tie it up. Now that we have it tied, here's our ball. And you can squish it. Like and subscribe and see you next time. Thank you for watching. And have fun escaping school.